DiamaGuard PSR Plus. It's packaged in 1 and also 5-gallon units. Penetrating stain resistor forms a non-film forming, water-repellent barrier to protect your polished concrete surface. It forms a hydrophobic barrier that minimizes liquid penetration into the surface, will not affect the gloss level of the polished surface. It has no impact on the slip coefficient properties, and it is infused with microban technology to help prevent the growth of fungal and also bacterial microbes. What are the recommended uses? To provide a concrete surface that can be maintained with general cleaning practices. To provide a window to allow liquids that might cause staining to be removed. To protect concrete polished surfaces that have been dyed or left natural. To create a 100% breathable system to allow water vapor to transmit through, but yet block water droplets from penetrating. And also to reduce the growth of fungal and also bacterial microbes on the surface. Microban additive is induced at the time of manufacturing. It reduces the growth of harmful bacteria and also fungal microbes up to 99.9%. Microban technology attacks the reproductive system of the microbe, along with attacking the digestive system, so it can no longer reproduce nor ingest food, so it eventually dies off, keeping your surface cleaner. Here you have two slides, one unprotected surface and another a protected surface with the microban technology. On the left, you can see over a 24-hour period of time how microbes can grow and reproduce. A microbe can actually reproduce double in size every 20 minutes. On the right side, as you can see, over the same period of time, the microbes have actually started to diminish and die off. The surface prep requires you to polish the surface anywhere from a 400 to a 3000 grit diamond tool. Using a low pressure pump sprayer fitted with a conical tip, mist the microfiber applicator pad and the polished surface. With the microfiber pad, spread the materials to a streak-free film, leaving no puddles. After the material is cured for at least 4 hours, you can high-speed burnish with a 3000 grit or higher diamond impregnated pad. 2 coats are normally required, so apply the remaining coats in the same method as the first coat. Light foot traffic will then be allowed 1 hour after the final burnishing, and heavy traffic 24 hours after the final burnishing. In this video, you'll see the application procedures. Using an industrial sprayer with a conical tip, applying the material in a very, very thin film. The microfiber mop is being used to spread the material to a streak-free form, leaving no puddles behind. The material is colorless, has very little odor, has an active solids content of greater than 13%. It does have a freeze point of approximately -2 degrees Fahrenheit or less. Alkalinity, very similar to concrete, and the coverage rate is anywhere from 2,500 to 4,000 square feet per gallon per coat. This all depends on the porosity of your substrate. The VOC level is less than 100 grams per liter, so in many geographical areas, it is VOC compliant. All materials have limitations. With DiamaGuard PSR, the concrete should be at least 28 days old. It is not recommended to be used in any areas that have pooling or ponding water. The material might slightly darken some substrates, so testing is recommended. And always protect all surfaces that are not going to be treated around the surrounding area. And during the application and up to 6 hours after the application, keep open flames away from the area. Accessories needed to apply the material are microfiber pads, a 1.5 or 10-liter industrial sprayer fitted with a conical tip, a DiamaPro 27-inch propane burnisher, and sparkle or easy finish pads for the burnisher. With all DiamaPro chemicals and equipment, they all have a QR code on the packaging or on the side of the equipment. This QR code, once scanned, will bring you to the website where you can obtain product information, videos, brochures, technical data, and also manuals for that piece of equipment or chemical. Thank you for your time today. If you should have any other questions, please contact your DiamaPro Systems representative.